Hello, whale traders. Welcome back. And today's video, I have a wonderful strategy for you guys. And this strategy is very powerful. It can be applied to any market, whether it is crypto stocks or it forex. And you can get maximum profit from this strategy. It uses three indicators, and I will explain you in detail how you can utilize it in your daily day trading to maximize your profits and recover your losses. So let's calculate some basic profit estimation. So let's suppose if you take $100 in per trade and using 20x leverage and only 20 trades, you can make around $650 in a month, and that's a minimum estimate. So first of all, for this strategy, we will require a time frame. I recommend you 15-minute time frame, and for coin or any, you can use any stock. So let's jump to indicators. We'll use first indicator will be hull suit by in silico, this one, and you will click on this one, and the next indicator will be vortex indicator, and this is a very powerful indicator. And the third one will be our volume indicators. You can use two volume indicators. One is normal volume and the second one is volume oscillator. So we will click both of these, and that's it. We will do some settings of these indicators. First of all, whole suit, and we will click on settings, and we will change this 55 number to 100, and we will also change this multiplier from 1 to 3. So okay, and now we will change the setting of vortex indicator and change this 14 to 20, and okay. And for volume oscillator, we will only increase the opacity, so we can see the things clear when it jumps above the zero line, which tells us to enter into the trade that I will explain you. So that's it. So viewers, let's jump to our buying and selling setup. So first of all, we will look for vortex indicator to show a crossover. That is when the blue line jumps above, then it is for if it is a buy signal. And we'll also look for candles to go above hull suit, and the volume oscillator to show above zero, or goes above zero. So we'll take 1.5% our profit, and our stop loss will be below the previous candle. So that's our first trade. So let's find another trade. So we will first look for volume oscillator to show above the zero line, and we will also see if there is a new crossover. If the crossover is not new, or if the volume oscillator doesn't go above zero line, then we will not enter into the trade. So here we have a new crossover between vortex indicator and also volume oscillator is above zero line, and the candles are also above hull suit. So that's a triple confirmation for us. So we will open our trade, and we will take a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and you can see this is a beautiful trade. Or let me draw it again, sorry. And here you can see we can have a 1.5 is to 1. So this setup is beneficial in this way, that it will give you triple confirmation. So don't rush into trades, always wait for triple confirmation, because that will increase your win rate, that will save your balance, because every losing trade takes your balance, takes your hard earned gains. So never rush into trades. So here you can see this one is a loss trade. So let me find another trade. So here see. So in selling case, you will only enter into the trade when the candles are below hull suit. And here you can see vortex is showing a new crossover, and also volume oscillator is above zero line. So you can see this is also a beautiful trade, more than 1.5% risk to reward ratio. So it's not a fix that you will always get 1.5% fix. No, sometimes you will get more than 1.5% profit with 20x leverage or whatever you take. And sometimes you take a little bit less profit. Yeah, so here you can see we also have another losing trade. So that's a part of trading. So you can let's see another win before we jump into our conclusion. So here you can see our candles are below hull suit, and there is also a new crossover, and you can see we have a good winning trade. So you can see this strategy is a very good strategy. If you can get like 3 trades out of 5 winning trade, you are in profit, because you are taking 20x leverage and 1.5% profit, which means with every winning trade you are making your account 50% gain of your trade. So here you can see we also have another trade. So you can see this is also a winning trade. So my tips for you is never rush for a trade. Make surety that all the three conditions are met. That is, your candles are above or below hull suit, and also the crossover. If in case of short, the red should be above. In case of long, red should be below. So, and a volume oscillator should be above zero line in each case. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.